All right, welcome back, Sacramento Kings fans. We have got episode 7, I believe, of the Kings rebuild. Last episode, I believe, was a relatively short one because we kind of got through free agency, but we did sign Mr. Trey Johnson, 23 years old, just got off a season of basically averaging his best year of his career. And we got him for 4 years, 130, 129. Sorry. So we've got it. And then we traded. No, we had Jabari last year. Okay. So and Jabari just came off of his best year. He wasn't okay. No, none of these guys. Oh, Cameron Williams was an All Star last year. In his second year. Wait, I say 2029 or 2028? I'm sorry, 2029. He was also second team All NBA, all defense. But what we noticed is his overall didn't go up. But yeah, I mean, I think we might be good, bro. Like this is a nice rotation. Like we've got like Jordan Hawkins isn't even playing for us, you know. Trade block. We will throw Jordan Hawkins up there. We will also throw. Oof, probably Devin Vassell up there. We can't do that yet. Um, okay, well then I think we're just gonna. I think we're good. Honestly, if there's something that would offer something for Kobe Sanders too, but thanks. I think we are like legit contenders this year. We started off 6-0. Shout out to all the guys who got drafted last night. Darius Acuff, the new king. We got that right, at least. Now, granted, we traded up to 5 to get him. But King is a king, man. King is a king. They also got Alex Caravan, too. We are going on a little bit of a losing streak here. Um, but then we pick up a few wins in a row. Yeah, I mean, I think we're gonna be good, man. Again, it's hard to keep track of realism now um, because we're so far in the future that like who knows what's real anymore. Um, we probably Clifford still looking really good. I'm kind of upset we couldn't get him more minutes, but he probably could start actually. Let me see. What is Thompson? Yeah, actually, I might give him the starting spot. I might give him the starting spot. Lee Clifford. Um, all right, 22-11 though. So I mean, I probably didn't need to switch anything up, at least not yet. A second rounder for a 70 overall, sure. We are coming up on the new year here. We are 25-12. We're the second seed behind the Timberwolves, who are 32-4. Hey man, that jaw trade's done them wonders. Acuff, again, doesn't seem like he might ever get to the 20-point per game type of guy. His tendency, I had to put it up. Yeah, 92. Like it's maybe he just isn't that type of a guy in this world. Trey Johnson's averaging 19. I will say he does have a lot more help though. Jabari is still sitting at 19. Caisson's a 7. Williams 16, 10, and 5. I mean, I couldn't ask for a better center that probably isn't going to cost us a max spot. No. Jabari's good. Dejane for Vooch, or the other Vooch, I guess. Jalen Johnson and Porzingis for Devin Vassell. Jalen Johnson isn't really even – he's kind of not even considered that much better. I mean, he passes a lot more. Sure, he's probably better rebounding, but Jabari's better defensively. Jabari's a better shooter, although actually Jalen Johnson's turned into a pretty nice shooter himself. Devin Vassell isn't playing a ton, but he doesn't miss. Porzingis doesn't either. Beef Stew's not playing. It's really Dylan Cardwell, who's kind of bad. But we were saying about how we didn't necessarily need Devin Vassell as much. So what if we take out this part and we just sure. Now we can bring in Porzingis to play for us. So he'll take out these Dylan Cardwell minutes. He'll probably take out Bronny's been actually pretty good, but he probably no, because Kobe Sanders isn't back yet, so he can actually just get all these minutes right now. He can just get them all for now. Yeah, I mean, again, I don't think we really need to make trades. We're the second team. We're second in power ranking. We are a contender. We are a contender. I do have a new series coming out once we finish this one, which seems like it might be done maybe this episode. The draft has happened officially. I'm going to make a scenario. I'm going to do what I need to do. I'm not trading Jabari for a top 3 protected pick. He's just too good right now. Kyrie for, hey, whatever. Flemings and Mikal Bridges for Cameron Williams and Jabari. No chance. Kobe Sanders is back. He did break his leg. He doesn't pass for being a point guard. Bronny doesn't either, but he passes a little bit more. So, honestly, I think I might leave Bronny in. If people have these guys and want to give us something, I will listen to pretty much all of those guys I just put up there for, I guess, 4 more days, but they're just offering ridiculous stuff now. Jay Richardson. I don't want Jace Richardson. I definitely don't want Pods. No, we're good. We had to have had somebody. No. We didn't have anyone. Okay. That's fine. It's okay. We didn't need anyone. Don't worry about it. All right, we'll be good. No. If the league wants to sleep on us, that's fine. We didn't hit the 40-20 rule, though. So maybe we're not. It's been a rough month or two, actually. Jabari keeps getting hurt. Yep, we're going to stop this. Resign. There's no reason why I shouldn't do this. He's a minimum, and I like him. Cason Wallace. Yep, we'll resign. He's only 26. And Jabari, we definitely resign. Kobe Sanders, again, I don't know if I really care to, although if it's for a minimum, then why not? lock up those guys for minimums. Their overall shouldn't really be going down anytime soon. And there's still guys that, if injuries happen, we can still use them. So we're actually the 5th seed because the Warriors and the Thunder jumped ahead of us. Or actually, we fell below them more than they jumped ahead. We were all at a similar spot, but we've just started losing. See, that's why you don't trade people, because now we traded Devin Vassell, and we don't. Maybe this is where Kobe Sanders comes back. What's his defense? 59 is terrible. Oh, so that's why he's a point guard, because he's just bad. Yeah, I guess Leonard Miller, it's your time to shine. That's rough. That's a rough loss for the season, but ooh, or is rookie ready? I don't think he's ready. I don't think he's ready yet. Trey Johnson's good. Just no more big injuries. We're gonna be a 50-win team. 2 to 4 weeks isn't bad. 2 to 4 weeks isn't bad. It could have been a lot worse. So we're gonna give Kobe back some minutes, and we're gonna get Bronny, I guess 31 minutes, sure. We still are gonna keep our guys playing because we want to get wins. So 52-30, Wemby MVP, Fudge Rookie of the Year, a 6'6" small forward, power forward that averages 3 rebounds. Yikes. Denny, 6-man, Wemby DPOY, Pacome Dadier, most improved, clutch player, Chet. 65 wins for the Timberwolves. Darren Peterson, all NBA second. Jordan Smith, okay. Derek Queen, 14, 10, and 7 is all NBA second team. Yikes. Okay, Cameron Williams is back, 15, 10, and 5. He's our only representative again. All right. We get the 4 seed to go against Dallas, who obviously has got Cooper Flag. They have Dyson Daniels, Mikael Brown. They probably could switch this up now that Kyrie's gone, right? No, I guess those are their best guys. They got some Cam Carr, who just went to the Lakers, I believe. Ademar, torn MCL. He went to the Thunder, which I thought was kind of crazy. That's no fun. We are down. We're down. Okay. Good to know that we will be taking Bronny's minutes, and Acuff will be playing through it. Probably gonna give a bunch of minutes to Kaysen. Game 2. All right. There you go, Jabari. There you go, Sewell, Cameron Williams, Kaysen Wallace, another good game. Acuff first game back, so we're going to give him a little bit of a pass, but we're not giving you a pass. That's terrible. We need better. We need better, bro. We need better from that. Okay, there we go. We punched him in the mouth. kind of a do it by committee team, man. I don't know how I like that. Acuff is good, and we win by 30. He has 22. Clifford has 20. Jabari has 20. Porzingis is 18 in 23 minutes, and Leonard Miller is 15 in 15 minutes. Cooper Flag's having a series. He can't hit the three ball as well, but he's still having a good series, and we win. We win in 6. Now we've got like the most feared team of all. Ant is hurt, but they have Bam. I don't even remember that happening. They have Bam. Ant's done for the season. How many games did he even play? Only 16. Oof. They were still that good. This is Bam's first year here. They just straight up signed him? Yeah. Oh, okay. McDaniels is at 12 in the playoffs, and then John. They're beatable though. They're beatable. I'm not gonna lie. I think we could handle them. Again, I think I'm taking Kobe Sanders minutes out completely. Here, and there. We'll give. Okay. Game 1, they win by 10. Okay. Game 2, they win by 3. Game 3, they interesting. I don't know if there's anything else that I will be able to do with this team, man. I don't want to just end it, but I don't know if there's much else we can do. We're not going to have anything in this. We did have 14, I guess. We have 26. I don't know. Unless we're just packaging unless we're saying, hey, like Hasten and Sanders with these picks can get us it could get us better. I'd like to but I don't. Yeah, honestly, I don't care about the picks. Take whoever you want. We're not going to probably be signing them. We don't need that guy taken out. No, you know what? We'll sign him. We probably let Hawkins go. We accept. Again, I don't even know if I'm going an extra year. This might just be it. Grizzlies want him, but they're not going to get him. Let's just make sure. And then we don't even really need to fill out our rotation. We could sign this dude. And again, that's really it. Our roster's filled. A-Cup does jump 3 again. Only 19 minutes in. I think we can go for another season. We'll go for one more season, but it might be wraps, man. Win or lose, we might be done. Acuff, Trey, Anthony Thompson doesn't get better. Jabari. So again, if he's not getting better, we can get him out of here. It's not like Cameron Williams where we don't really have another option. We can like package Anthony Thompson with like Kaysen and Kobe, and then like like Modest and Giddy. Oh man, so this happened. It's kind of gross, but it happened to say the least. I'm just looking to see, like, they just said Cooper Flat. Like, there's no way. I don't think that, like, there's no way. But we got to try. He's getting paid 52. Oh, man. Jabari's got to go. Another 18 is like Case and Wallace. And then we just say, hey, boom, take this pick. Take the Celtics pick. Take this Wizards pick. And this Kings pick. Or we say, I didn't mean to hit him. You can take Anthony Thompson. You can take Kobe Sanders, but that might be a... You can take... before I try and throw in Art, let's see what they think of this. Throwing Art, they give us back him. Right, it was a shot in the dark. Yeah, no, okay. It was shot in the dark. You had to try. Don't want Giannis. I don't know, man. Like, a star's getting paid $40 million. I don't know if we can afford that. Scotty Barnes is better, though. They have Brandon. Oh, but they lost Wemby. So that's why. Let's go see what the Raptors want for Scotty B. 35 mil. Again, we start off with Case and Wallace. We throw in Art Dawson. You got to give us like this guy, and then just $3 million. We can make that be Kobe Sanders, and then we say, hey, take the Celtics first round pick, take our first round pick, and another one of our firsts. Okay, I had a feeling Kobe Sanders might not be perfect value. Take Anthony Thompson. I would feel like we can get out of here without having to give up Jabari, but like Leonard, y'all want Leonard Miller, and then first round pick, and then no. What if I am willing to give up all this? But what would the hold on? No, I don't think I'm willing to do that. I'll give him Nee Clifford, I guess. Oh wait, contracts. Where do contracts go? No, it's just not there. Again, unless it's art. Yeah, no. All right. Nate Amen's defense, rebounding, everything is elite. If we can trade for him, he's making only 13, so we don't even necessarily have to give. We probably still. I don't know if we have to give up Kaysen. We give up. Um. No, we give up Kobe Sanders, and again, I'm willing to throw picks on there. Come on, there's no way. 3 first-round picks. Matt again isn't necessarily the scoring, but we've got scoring. We've got Acuff, we got Trey Johnson, we got Jabari. So now we run this, and we look like, and then we give like Bronny minutes, and like I think we're good. Or do we make? No, we make Kaysen a backup one, right? Because he can play. Yeah, we'll make Kaysen the backup one. Boom. I'm gonna again take his minutes down a little. Boom, 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 and we're gonna give him here. Give him here. I don't think the bench utilization. We don't need to use our bench as much as Billy Donovan thinks he likes to. Boom. Come on. If we can't, this is it. This is the last year. This is the last episode. Right here, right now. This season determines if this episode ends in 3 minutes or in maybe 20 minutes. Come on. People got to stay healthy. We got to do it. Everyone's got to play their role. Again, some videos are going to be like this where it's like, do we, this, that, do we have the 94, 95, 96 overall that's averaging 28 points? No. We've got a bunch of high 80s, a low 90 here and there, and we're winning because people are doing their job. Oh, man. We're getting freaky with the trades, huh? Too bad AD's not that good, even though his overall says he's good. Come on, give us an all-star this year, man. Give us an 41 and 12. We're somehow that's only the 3 seed because Minnesota and I guess Golden State are just that good. But give us an all-star. Whatever, man. Whatever. We hit the 40-20 rule. We might get 50-20 actually. I don't know if I really necessarily need to look at this because again, this is our last year. Cup MVP again. Why is the cup ending in March? The cup is supposed to be a January thing, but okay, we hit 20 losses before 50 wins. But hey, we're better than last year. We might get high 50s, mid 50s. Trey Johnson's probably back. He missed a while. Art Dawson, pretty good actually. It's too bad that I'm putting Putting you back out of the rotation. Although John Maker Bowl is not good, so you know what? We'll put you here. Boom. With a few games left, probably 3. Oh no, a lot more than 3. We had like 6 games left. 59 wins. We almost hit 60. Ja MVP. Baker Rookie of the Year. As a 5'11" point guard, he got 6 rebounds a game. So he's an offensive rebound demon, I guess. Bennett starts. DPOI goes to Wemby, I guess. Steve Kerr, Coach of the Year. Come on. Don't do us dirty. Is this numbers any better? Not really. A cuff. Okay. All right. They give it. We get it. Thank God we didn't trade for him. He tore his Achilles. Nate meant 15 and 13. Whoa, the rebounding numbers were good, but I didn't know they were looking like that. Oh, 99, 93. Oh, 98 block. Like, yeah, this is why I traded for him. Bro, what? Like, I knew they were good. I glanced at them, but that's kind of ridiculous. That's kind of crazy. Wow, injuries. Oh, man. Injuries just left and right. So we're going to be playing Portland. We're better, bro. I know our center's only an 81, but he's been all NBA, bro. He's been all NBA. Like, come on. Game 7, first round's not a good thing. Porzingis is hurt. I guess Cardwell's got to play like a few minutes, but come on. We wipe the floor with them. Great. 21 assists. The man could not hit a shot, but he made sure his teammates hit some shots. 21 assists is huge. 4th overall pick, huh? Not bad. All right. We got to get our revenge. Ant is back. They've got the top end talent, but we're more well-rounded, I think. I stopped it, but maybe I come back to this. Maybe I don't, but I think this is where we're going to end it in the series for now. Probably going to start a new one up tomorrow or Friday. I think we built a contender, man. Maybe we need a better center. I mean, his numbers are not good because Nate Ament is ridiculous. But I thought we built a good team. All right. Thank you for watching. Well, let's see who wins, I guess. Duren versus him and Duren. Oh, Donovan Mitchell gets it. All right. Thank you for watching. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and come back for more.